Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S, then choose File and Run New Task. Type PowerShell and check the box to create the task with administrative privileges so the commands will apply system-wide. Once done, make sure you have saved any work because the next steps can restart Explorer. You're doing this to re-register core Windows Shell apps. It fixes a broken start experience by reinstalling the Start menu package. In the elevated PowerShell window, paste the long re-registration command and press Enter. It reinstalls all built-in app packages, including the Start menu. You'll see a stream of progress messages. Let it finish fully, even if you spot errors in red about optional dependencies. Once the command completes, Windows will have re-registered the Start components, which repairs corrupt manifests or missing app packages that prevent the Start button from appearing or responding. After the PowerShell step, restart Windows Explorer. In Task Manager, end the Windows Explorer process, then run Explorer. EXE to reload the shell. If the Start button remains missing, sign out or perform a full reboot. That ensures all changes apply. If problems persist, create a new local administrator account to check whether the issue is profile-specific, and if necessary use system, restore to roll back recent changes. That single troubleshooting tip. Try a new admin account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.